Hi, Frank Rose here with Silver Springs Marina, MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, here to show you this pre-owned 2019 Boston Whaler Sport. Now this boat has all the extras on it. It has padded, fold-back Helm seats, has the oblique dash, dual 6.5 gallon gas tanks. This does have the big 90 horse 4-stroke motor. It has the factory ski tow, the sun top with a boot, full wraparound bow rail with the inside grab rails. This has the full rail package. Has a bow cushion in the front, and as you can see, the cooler and cooler seat cushion. This is a great boat. Only has 26 hours on this boat. Very lightly used, 2019. Most of the 26 hours were all freshwater use as well. If you're interested in this, give us a call, 978-716-2475. Again, we're at 362 Pond Street, Silver Spring Marina, MarineMax. My name is Frank Rose. Thank you very much.